all
Hello
you need to
guys.
know about
So
Intravenous
for some time
Infusion
now,
Ltd.
Intravenous Infusion
Should you
Limited
invest in their
has
shares?
been increasing massively in the Ghana Stock Exchange. And people are asking, should they invest? Okay, I'm here to give you all that you need to know about Intravenous Infusion PLC to decide for yourself whether to invest or not. Please watch the video till the end to get all the information in order to make an informed, a rational investment decision. So today being 22nd of May 2026, the share price is 9 pesos. Meaning that with 20 you can buy 210 shares plus charges. Can you imagine? And then the share price as of the beginning of the year, 2nd January, was 5 pesos, meaning that there was a gain of 4 pesos. That is 80% gain. 80% gain is good. However, this gain is within this short. I think this month is this month that the share, this particular firm share, Intravenous Infusion PLC, started increasing. Over the years, their share price has been stagnant. So it is not good enough. You can't use this short period to make a decision as it being a good investment or me advising you to go and invest. No, this is not good. Okay, I always say for you to make informed decision in terms of capital gain, you need to assess maybe 3 to 4 previous years to determine whether this shares is good for you to invest in. Net loss in 2024, meaning that in 2024 they made a loss of 642,888. Then it's increased by 800 plus the loss in 2025 increased. That is from 2024 to it increased by more than 800%. That is more than 8 times. So now they have the loss for 25 is 4,731,793. That is a loss increase. So they've increased, they've made a higher loss of like 800 plus percent. Okay. Now let's look at their assets. I'm doing fundamental analysis. Their assets in 2025, by 2025, by the course of the year, it has reduced. That's why you see negative. You see negative. You see negative attached to by 22.6%. You see me using a symbol to bring it up. So it's still telling you it's not good enough for you to invest. Liabilities, and before I go there, you understand I said asset is what the firm own, the properties of the firm. Okay, it has reduced over the years by 22.6%. Liability, their liability in 2025, so by the close of 2025, was 71.1% of their capital structure. And liability is debt, the debt they are owning, the debt they need to pay. Okay, so debt. Then capital structure is a mixture of debt and equity. Equity being shares, the mixture of shares and debt. Okay, and they are saying that this capital structure, the capital that they are using to operate in their business, 71.1% is debt. And debt. Then less than 30% is equity, what they actually own. So from all indication, investing in these shares is going to be very bad decision. So I wouldn't advise you to invest. However, we have something called trading. You know, there are some people who target firms with lower share price and they will invest, and when it's double or quadruple or triple, they just sell and get their money back. The reason why mostly our market is very is illiquid is because almost all the investors are playing safe. They are playing safe. Okay, no one is taking risks. So someone can also take risks and get these shares. Then risk means you can lose all your money. Please, this risk is very high. Then maybe hope it will double or triple. Then so these things help the market to be liquid. But in all, I wouldn't advise you to invest in Intravenous Infusion PLC. Thank you.